Hello guys, Cliff Harvey here, RC Planes. Thanks for checking in again. This morning I've got half an hour just to quickly check my planes over for the High Wycombe Microaces fly-in this coming weekend. The first plane I'm taking will be my D7. Can you see it there? Which I've, after hitting the wall yesterday or day before, I've glued the wheels back on because they came off strangely. That looks like it's flying, doesn't it? I'm just wondering if I put on some a white background, whether I could actually spin the motor up and actually film it to make it look like it's flying. Okay, anyway, so that one's good to go. The Camel, I'll check in a minute, make sure everything's working on it. I'm taking the new Newport, the Sopwith triplane and the DH2. That should be plenty to be getting on with. So I'll just mount you up in the tripod here. Exciting times, eh? Let's give it a visual check over. Okay. Control horns clipped in. Everything looks all right. Let's meter out for this one. Hang on. The correct transmitter is, because the problem is these Spectrum transmitters only hold 10 model memories, so if you've got more than 10 models you end up with more transmitters. So the Russian and Camel, let's see these little sticks. When I fly at my local indoor venue, you pack your bag and everything and hope you've got everything you need. It's not the end of the world. It's only a 10-minute drive for a 2-hour flying session. I did forget my batteries once, which was a bit inconvenient. But this time it's a 4-hour drive for a 3-hour flying session, so I want to try and make sure I've got absolutely everything I need. Batteries are fully charged. I've got my charger with me. Talking of chargers, I don't know if you've seen this one. Can recommend it, the Turnigy UPS6. Anyway, let's load this model up. Okay, let's tip you down a bit. Now the battery I think for this one was just a 160 milliamp hour. Just check the rudder and elevator. That's good. Okay, that one's ready to go. Do you know what preparation prevents? The 5 P's. The 5 P's. Prior. The 6 P's. Prior preparation prevents piss poor performance. Okay, I think that's a well-known saying. Next one up. The Newport, which I made a couple of weeks ago. Check which transmitter I need for that. That one there. I differentiate my transmitters, by the way. Different car. I've got 3 Spectrums. One's got red sticks, one's got blue sticks, one's got silver sticks. Now, rigging on this one's nice and tight, but then it's a brand new model. Yeah, that's fine. Motor. That's another model ready. Let's put that one back on the shelf. Now, I said the Sopwith triplane was going to be okay from yesterday, but I just remembered something which I wasn't happy with. Oh, that was the I've got a reasonable amount of weight in the cowl stuck around, but I also added a bit down beside the motor there, which I'm just going to run a little bit of CA on, because I don't want that to drop off and drop into the servos, of course. So CA will do it. That should hold it. Should hold it nicely. Give it a little blow. Wondered what that was then. I blew. I thought the motor was running, but it was the rotary engine turning in the cowl. It sort of vibrated my hand a bit and gave me a slight shock. Not a real shock. I mean you know what I mean. 200 milliamp hour battery. Oh, where's the battery lead? Tucked in there. Now, and quite usefully, because the receiver powers up, you've actually got nice bright light shining. You can see what you're doing. Lovely. That works a treat. I've taken a few models up with me tomorrow. If I break one, say have a mid-air collision, then I've got spares. So I'll tuck that in and get the next one down. And the other model I should be taking is the DH2. Now this one, the problem I've got with this one is it doesn't turn very well one way over the other, and so on a small haul it's not very maneuverable. And the reason is the rudder, I don't know, out of doors it turns beautifully because you've got plenty of room, but indoors not quite so maneuverable. Well, it is what it is, guys. It works. It's a bit better than it was. So that's the DH2. This is for tomorrow. DH2, Saturday rather, it's 2 days away. DH2, Sopwith triplane, Newport 17, Sopwith Camel and Fokker D7. So as always, thank you for looking in. Like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see one or two of you up at High Wycombe. Come and say hi, introduce yourself. Thanks, cheers, bye.